Granada is a city in southern Spain and the capital of the province of the same name. This is one of the oldest cities in the country, located in Eastern Andalusia at the foot of the Sierra Nevada mountains. Granada is the former capital of the Mauritanian kingdom and one of the last strongholds of the Arabs in the Iberian Peninsula. Therefore, the heritage of the Moorish period can be found on almost every corner, and the city itself has a special oriental charm. Granada is the soul of Andalusia, a city that combines several cultures, in which the richest historical heritage is presented, and there is something interesting for everyone. Stuttgart is a city in the southwest of Germany, the birthplace of Porsche and Mercedes, as well as a place with an outstanding winemaking past and present, which is especially interesting to look into in summer or spring. Stuttgart, against the background of other German cities, looks like a wealthy burger. Get ready to immerse yourself in the beauty of Stuttgart. Join an exciting journey through the historic streets of the city. Admire its impressive architecture and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere. Discover the rich heritage of Stuttgart, from its medieval origins to its modern cosmopolitan atmosphere. Chicago is a rather interesting and stylish city in the USA with its own special atmosphere, the economic and cultural capital of the Midwest, the second largest financial center in America after New York. Travelers from all over the world come to Chicago to enjoy its unique architecture, see the sights, the skyscraper district, beautiful gardens and parks with fountains, go to museums and theaters, get acquainted with the history of the Chicago Mafia and feel the unique style of the old city. Living in Chicago is not as expensive as in New York or San Francisco, so it is well suited for those who have just arrived in America and are not ready to pay a lot of money for housing. This is a great place both in terms of comfortable city life and business amenities. On the Mediterranean coast of the island of Crete lies the legendary city of Heracleion, the abode of the ancient Greek hero Hercules and the mythical labyrinth of the Minotaur, an original corner of Greece. As befits the capital, Heracleion is a dynamic, lively city where administrative institutions, head offices of commercial companies, shopping centers, and educational institutions are concentrated. There is an international airport, passenger and cargo seaports. But the travelers arriving here are rare guests in the modern districts of Heracleion. But within the walls of the old city, locals literally get lost in the inexhaustible flow of tourists flooding its streets. Thank you for watching this video. If you found my video interesting and want to know more about my adventures, please like the WebTV channel and subscribe to it. You can also leave a comment and leave a review. See you, bye-bye.